First car wash. Yay! Hey!
This is for you, Jen.
Yay! Car wash. Going to a car wash.
Move over.
Car wash. Going to a car wash. Hey, why don't you hold it?
Oh yeah.
I'm so scared that shit's gonna fall.
Oh, just look at it. Oh.
I don't want to do.
Wow.
Ask for your free lollipop. I will.
Please. Winnie, how do you like it so far?
It's so much fun.
How do you like it so far,
smells
Rachel?
like
It's normal.
Christy, how do you like it so far? Nelson?
I'm so busy looking at
This
the
is a
cracks.
crazy one. I'm scared it's just gonna fall off.
I'm scared.
I am so scared it's just gonna fall.
Is it?
It smells good.
These colors. Oh my god, it smells nasty.
It looks like bird poopy.
It's fine. It's still there. It's still there. It smells like bubblegum.
I know.
This is so cool.
Oh my god, I can't see.
It smells like bubblegum. Ah, so yummy smelling.
Still there, baby?
This is great. Do they usually do this, making it smell like bubblegum? It's like I'm at the dentist. Lọc tài dữ à.
This shit cray. Ooh, what's gonna happen next? What is that?
Tire shine.
What do we do now? Now I'm thinking.
Oh, this is the fun part.
Does it move the car?
It's gonna
No.
blow everything.
Oh
I'm
snap!
so scared I think it's gonna fall off.
Oh shit!
Oh my god! This is so great.
Look at Rachel's indifference. Look at Winnie. It's like wow.
Oh my god, now we're gonna be hand dried. Hand dried, like Asian delicacy.
Stupid. Okay.
Someone to be careful over there.
Okay.
I think we tipped these guys.
Okay.
They're done.
Hey,
Good.
be careful on that mirror.
Good. Good.
This mirror's kind of cracked.
So be careful on it, alright?
Gotta be so mean to the poor man.
No, I'm not. I'm just learning.
So hard.
Yeah, we took
No, we gotta tip.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna close this.
Just get $2.
Okay, close it. Yeah, close it. 2 each.